Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video, we are going to solve the problem reverse a linked list. You are given the pointer to the head node of a linked list. Change the next pointers of the nodes so that their order is reversed. The head pointer given may be null, meaning that the initial list is empty. So you may think this is a corner case, but we can solve it in a general case itself. The overall logic of the problem, we have to reverse the pointers of the nodes to the previous nodes so that the order is reversed. I'll explain the logic later. Let's see the constraints. Here the test case can go up to 10 and n can go up to 1000 and the number in the linked list can also go up to 1000. So for this problem, try to approach using the linked list solution itself, because if you store the elements in a particular list and reverse it and add it to the linked list, it also works, but it will take more time and space. So we will avoid that logic. We will solve this problem using the linked list pointers itself. Okay, let's see the examples. Here we have a single linked list and 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, this is the linked list. The simple logic we have to do is we have to point the current pointer to the previous pointer. That is, 1 will be pointing to null, 2 will be pointing to 1, 3 will be pointing to 2. Like that, we have to do for all the nodes until it reaches null. When it reaches null, current pointer will be null and the previous pointer will be the 5. So we will store the head pointer as the previous node. After returning the head node, the reversed linked list look like this. Okay, let's solve the problem now. We need to have 3 pointers, that is current node, previous node, and the next node. Initialize 3 pointers. First one is previous equals none. Initially it will be none. Current pointer will be the head, and the next pointer will be head.next. So these are the 3 pointers we need to initialize. After initializing, we need to go for the general logic. Using the while loop, we will form the general logic while current not equals none. That means until it reaches the end, the while statements will be executed. So in the case of linked list, we need to follow the particular order in order to avoid inconsistency. So the order will be, first we need to store the next pointer, next equals current dot next. Now we have to change the pointers. That means one will be pointing to null. That will be current dot next equals previous. So current pointer will be 1 and the previous pointer will be none. So 1 will be pointing to none. After that, we have to shift the nodes. That means current pointer will be previous and the next pointer will be current. So previous equals current pointer and the current pointer will be pointing to next pointer. So this will be change the direction of the nodes. This is shifting the nodes. Shifting the nodes. This is the whole logic of the problem. When the while loop breaks, we have to store the head pointer. That will be head equals previous. Because current pointer will be at null, current pointer will be null, so the head pointer will be the previous node, that is previous of current pointer. After storing the head node, we will return head. So in this problem, we are initializing 3 pointers, that is previous, current, and next. In the while loop, when the current not equal to null, we are doing this particular operations. First, we are storing the next node of the current pointer, and after that, we are changing the direction of the nodes. That is, the next pointer of the current will be the previous. After that, we are shifting the nodes. Previous will be current, and the current will be next. Finally, we are storing the head pointer and returning it. Let's run the code now. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. That's it, guys. We solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. Stay tuned for the next video.